She confesses to me. Weeks of low back pain and nothing has ever truly helped. I studied her carefully. Her legs told their secrets first. Her right foot shorter, carrying a burden the other could not. Her spine whispered next. Tightness and resistance layered into every curve. Can I be the one to help? Or will her pain resist me, like all the battles before? The work begins. These hands moved with purpose. Her low back, pow. Her mid back, flop. Her neck, crack. Each adjustment a piece of the puzzle returning to place. In the stillness of a long, deliberate stretch, a thought betrays me.
Did I turn off the bathroom light before I left the house?
Question lingers, absurd but inevitable. I draw my sword and carve through the knots and scar tissue that held her low back hostage. Each stroke breaks chains unseen. Finally, she exhales. She lays down in relief, the pain no longer her captor.